Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So today I'm here with a new question. So let's see the question we have today, and the question is any suggestions on how to improve SEO for a very particular niche. So it's going to be, because I don't know what the niche is and I do not have an idea, but I can give you some best practices you can follow to improve SEO, and this can work with any niche. So you can say it for any niche or any particular niche. So my first strategy, first of all, is one thing which I like about SEO and what you have to do in SEO is to consistency. You have to be consistent with your efforts. You will not see the results in a day. Uh, Unlike in PPC, what happens is that you can see the results in a day, but here it takes time, patience, and consistency. So if you have patience and consistency, you can do wonders there. So my suggestions regarding after following this strategy is to regularly create new articles. That is going to be my first strategy for SEO. So you have to regularly create a new articles. My second is going to be keep on updating your old content. That is going to be a very good thing. You have to keep on updating your old content so that Google gets a signal that your content is updated with latest rates, latest information. Keep on adding new paragraphs, improving your structures, adding images, and this can do wonders. And try do silo structure or a tropical authority, whatever you like to say on, but focus on one niche without focus on one topic, rather covering too much topics in a single niche. I mean, in a single niche, just cover on one topic and create articles relevant to it, and also have all the articles should have unique content, have schema, uh, frequently asked questions. This thing can do wonders. Also my strategy is to uh, integrate your website with Google search console, and here try to fix out all the errors you see on Google search console, because these errors can cause issues in your ranking. Also keep an eye on your broker links. Can you guys imagine that even my blog still have broker links, and it can possible any day, any time of the day. So what you have to do is you have to use a plugin for it, because I'm using WordPress, and in WordPress it's a plugin, so use it. Also focus on optimizing your speed, and to optimize your speed you can focus on getting a good hosting company. I'm going to recommend one in the description of this video in case if you need such. But speed should be a primary factor in working your videos, and you should primarily focus on optimizing your website speed, and that you can do it through the plugin and having a good hosting company. Also your mobile and desktop websites should have UI UX unique interface. Your design should be optimized. uh, you know that can also be a very good turning point. Also have social media pages such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and regularly post your article links on them. Okay, not only it will give you traffic, but it will also improve in rankings. Why? Because Google gets a signal with a social media that in case if a topic or a website is being trending on social media networks, it means that it's the latest, it has more information, and Google definitely gives you advantage for this. And I have tried and tested this thing, so which is why I'm recommending you this, that you have to work on this, and that can also do wonders. Also keep an eye on your competitors. Okay, this works in any industry, even it works for PPC as well, that you have to keep an eye on your competitors, what the competitors are doing. Focus on what kind of content they are ranking on, and that can improve on your rankings. So keep an eye on your competitors, find new ideas from them, so that can also do wonders. Okay, there is another thing as well, and that is related to Google Search Console. And that thing came to my mind in regarding ranking for articles, is to look around for your content which is on the second to third page of the Google. When you search on Google Search Console, then you can easily find, for those who don't know, this is a Google Search Console, and once you open the Google Search Console, you can easily find your articles or content which are being ranked on the second or third page of the Google. Okay, so now to get them ranked on the first page, ranking for second or third page you find on Search Console, work on them. Okay, you can work on them and improve your rankings. Is that once you figure them out, now you have to get them ranked on the first page of Google. Optimize your content, plus do interlinking between one to another articles, and then create sub content like small articles for each topics. For instance, if same page is being ranked on multiple keywords, what you can do over here is to create a different page for each keyword and interlink with each other. Now this will also help you in improving your topical authority, plus this will also helping you in ranking your website. So these are the few tips which you can use to rank, to improve SEO for any particular niche. I hope you like it. So in case if you need SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, management, setup, audit services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and work with us. We will be happy to work with you out. And if you guys like the video, do share it and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.